Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu says, there was an encounter between the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the polytheists in a battle of Khaybar, and there occurred a furious fight between them, and each party returned to its troops in the evening. There was a man amongst the Muslims who would not leave any alone or fleeing polytheist alive, rather chased him and killed him with his sword. The people said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, today none of us could do such a job as he has done. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, but he is amongst the denizens of hell. So the people said, who will be amongst the people of paradise if he is amongst the denizens of hell? One of the Muslims said, I will remain with him in quest of reality, though he may run fast or walk slowly. At last that man got wounded, and he hastened to commit suicide. He placed the handle of his sword on the ground and its point in the middle of his chest, and then put his whole weight on it, and thus he committed suicide. So the observer came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, I testify that verily you are Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, what has happened? He narrated the whole episode. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly a man apparently performs deeds like those of the people of paradise, but in fact he is one of the denizens of hell. A man apparently performs the deeds like those of the people of hell, but in fact he is one of the dwellers of paradise. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4207.